This is a matter that the government takes very seriously. I have had meetings with the Permanent Secretary, Office of the President, and Acting Head of Public Service, together with the Minister for Medical Services here. And after consultations, I have decided to suspend the board of NHIF, as well as the Chief Executive Officer of NHIF, for a period of 3 months pending investigations. And in their place, I have appointed Mr. A. Aden, who is a Deputy Secretary in the Ministry of Medical Services, as the manager on interim basis. And I've also put in place a caretaker committee, which consists of several permanent secretaries and representatives from the private sector, that is COTU, Federation of Kenya Employers, and NAT. Then I've also appointed the Efficiency Monitoring Unit in the Office of the Prime Minister to carry out investigations into the conduct of affairs of NHIF. And further, we are going to appoint an independent firm of auditors to carry out forensic audit into the affairs of NHIF. The terms of reference for that caretaker committee are going to be made available to the media in the course of the day.